Sparky Sparks here. Oh my goodness, I have new hair. This is by Estetica, and this style is called Summers, and the color, I'm going to spell it for you, CKISSRT4. I'm outside, so I want you to see how this reacts in the breeze. It is a little bit windy out here. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and follow me. This is how we stay connected here in this space. I review wigs, and I have a website called An Affair with Hair, same as the name of my channel. And I've also written a book called Wig Wisdom. And the book is about my story, how I started in wigs and what I'm currently going through. And then the back part is about a how to wig, how to put on a wig, how to wear a wig, all of those things. So I think you'll enjoy it, especially if you're a brand new wig wearer. So check that out. You can check the link I have here, or you can shop it on my website. So exciting. So I want to show you this wig. Now I have to share with you something. Here's a secret. I'm actually at a resort, and the waiter has just come out to put out the lunch menus. This is going to be fun, ladies. And there's a tower of rooms that go up high. So I'm sitting here filming video content and sharing how this wig looks, and this guy's gonna be shocked when I take off my wig. But do we care? No. I've been wearing wigs full-time for 2 years now and got involved about 3 years ago. So it's been the best choice and best new style addition that I've ever made. I just want you to enjoy for a minute how this wig kind of reacts. Oh good, he just left. Let's get to it. All right, so let's look at the inside of this wig. Now I'm gonna warn you, I have a really wide forehead. And when I was on swim team as a young person, I'd come up and touch the side of the pool, and all the adults, all the timers, would look at me and say, oh my gosh. And then they'd look at the other adults and they'd say, did you see this kid's head? Well, I'm telling you, it's wide. And you will see now. What? See, crazy. But it's always been a sense of, you know, I don't know, embarrassment, whatever it is. Don't have the right word. I've lived with it forever. So what I use is a combination cap and grip. So I put it on like this. The Velcro prevents the wig from sliding, and that's how I'm able to water ski and go on the boat fast and all of those things. Let's look on the inside of this Estetica wig. So this is a basic cap with a basic front. Because it has bangs, you're not going to notice, it doesn't need to look like it's coming out of your head. And if you have a wide forehead like mine, the nice thing about wigs is we can make it a 4-head instead of an 8-head. In the back, we have little adjusters here that are Velcro. I would remove these tags because they tend to poke through. And again, this is a little spot up here that's just gonna make all the hair lay properly. So when I get a new wig, I like to shake her out. And then we're gonna put her on like this. I like to land the bangs or the edge of the wig on my eyebrow bone, because that way we can adjust it. And because I have a wider forehead, I'm gonna pull her back to where my natural hairline is. So here we go. We can have a little bit more freedom with that. So I'd love to know your thoughts. I answer all of my comments. You saw how quickly I put that on, and actually the waiter stepped away for a minute. And as he was gone, we were able to pull off the wig and put it back on. Now what people are thinking in this tower up here, I have no idea. It would be funny though. What would you say if you were looking out your window and you saw a girl taking her hair off and on and putting on all sorts of wigs? I don't know, that would be curious, I think. Anyway, I digress. I really love that you're here. This has been a fun passion for me, a new hobby, if you will, a new business with my website, An Affair with Hair, the new book, all sorts of new things, just showing as we age, you still can pivot. You can still have, you know, a life. So if you're sitting home alone and feeling any sort of way about your hair or about what you're doing, reach out. I'm here for you. This is a big community, a very supportive community, and it'd be fun to get to know you. Again, subscribe, the button's down there. Check out my book, Wig Wisdom. The link is down below, and I'll link all the details about this beautiful wig as well. This is from Estetica. So comfortable. And you can just see, look, it's just blowing in the wind. Thanks for joining me today. Have a great day. Mwah. Cheers.